Hi everyone, so today I'm going to show you how I create these really quick voluminous waves that I do for my everyday basis. So let's get started. So this is the hair that I have after 3 days of not washing them, and I'm just applying a bit of dry shampoo to give that bounce in the scalp. So I'm just going to spray it all over my scalp, and then I'll gently massage my hair. So as you can see that instantly I've got some volume in my hair. So now I'm just going to take small strands like this and using my hair straightener. So this is a little difficult to explain, but I'm sure you can notice how I'm doing this. So I'm just going to wrap the rod with my hair, and I'm just going to take my really sweet time and bring the straightener from top to bottom. And so as you can see, I'm really taking time doing this, and this will give some really nice curls. And this doesn't take too much time, it's quite easy to do. So just take small strands like I have, and you're good to go. I'm scrunching my hair a little bit just to keep that heat intact so that it gives more curl to my hair. Now, once this is done, I am just going to use the sea salt spray that I have, and I'm going to apply it all over my hair, and then using my fingers, I'm going to scrunch my hair multiple times to make sure that they look really voluminous. Using the hairbrush, I'm just going to brush my hair in the opposite direction to give more wavy look. I know this kind of looks really messy right now, but trust me, this is going to look good and it gives a really nice look at the end. So once that's done, just comb through your hair from the top to just settle the hair, and just scrunch as much as you want. And I think, yeah, that's just the idea. That's about it. So that's it with this hairstyle. Do try that and let me know in the comments if you like this video. And I will see you really soon. Bye.